Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Word app. Open the file and immediately select the text you want to change. Use tap and drag or double tap to pick a word, then drag handles to expand the selection. If you intend to change every paragraph, choose Select All from the Edit menu so you don't miss any formatting. Once the correct text is highlighted, move to the formatting toolbar visible above the keyboard or at the top of the screen to access font controls without extra navigation. Now you'll change the actual size and optionally the typeface. Tap the font size value in the toolbar to open the size picker. You can tap plus or minus for incremental changes or type a specific number for precision. Make sure the measurement is in points, pt, and consistent across headings and body text. If you need a different feel, swap the font family or apply bold or italic at this stage. Once adjusted, tap outside the menu to preview the effect in the document. Finish by saving and scanning the document for layout shifts or orphan lines that may result from the size change. Make sure headings remain proportional. Adjust individual paragraph spacing if needed. If the change didn't apply, press undo to step back and reselect the text. Also check whether the text is controlled by a style. Modify the style itself to apply changes globally. If track changes is on, accept or reject edits so formatting applies cleanly. That covers completion and the main fix to try first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.